How to delete extra or blank pages in MS Word. In this video, I will show you how to delete any extra or blank pages in MS Word. Here, I have 3 pages, page 1, page 2, and page 3. If I want to delete any one of these pages, follow these steps. First, click on the View tab. Depending on your version of MS Word, I am using the 2019 version. The interface may look slightly different, but the process remains the same across all versions. Click on Multiple Pages, which will display all your pages side by side. Now, to delete page number 2, click on it and make sure the cursor is placed at the beginning of the page. Press Ctrl+G on your keyboard to open the Go To dialog box. In the box, type End Page and click on Go To, which will select the entire page. Close the dialog box and then press the Delete key on your keyboard to remove the selected page. If you accidentally delete the wrong page, you can undo the action by clicking the Undo button or pressing Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.